my name is Gauri and I'm a legal intern with Lexis & Company. In this video, I'll be discussing arbitration agreement, which is a written agreement between the parties, wherein both the parties resolve to submit themselves to arbitration in the event of a dispute. It has been defined as an agreement by the parties to submit to arbitration all or certain disputes which have arisen or which may arise between them in respect of a defined legal relationship, whether contractual or not. It may be a separate written agreement, or it may be inserted in the clauses of the contract between the parties, or it may be present in any form of electronic communication between the parties. There are certain essential conditions that need to be fulfilled. First being, the contract must be in writing. The reference to the arbitration clause in the document must be made in a manner to signify that such clause is a part of the contract. The reference to the arbitration clause must be in clear and unambiguous terms. The clause should be well framed, clearly portraying the intention of the parties to resort to arbitration, so that in cases of disputes under the contract, such clause can be made applicable. The arbitration clause should not be incompatible with any other terms of the contract. Whether the arbitration agreement is an independent agreement or a composite agreement, it is important that the arbitration clause should be severable from the rest of the agreement or contract. In case the arbitration agreement is an independent agreement, it must fulfill the criteria of a valid contract. That brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comments. Thank you.